Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to boost your lifestyle and making your life easy by different means like boosting your website's visibility and dominate the search engines. Today we have something super exciting for you all. We'll be diving into the world of off-page SEO, giving you a simple and short tutorial that will skyrocket your rankings. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Step 1. Understand your target audience and goals before diving into off-page SEO strategies. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your target audience and your goals. Determine who your ideal customers are, their interests, and the platforms they frequently use. Additionally, define your objectives, whether it's increasing website traffic, generating leads, or improving brand visibility. Step 2. Link building strategies. Link building is a critical component of off-page SEO. Here are some effective strategies. First is guest blogging. Identify authoritative blogs relevant to your industry and offer to write guest posts for them. Ensure your content is informative, engaging, and provides value to readers. Include a relevant backlink to your website within the guest post. Secondly, broken link building. Find broken links on high-quality websites within your niche. Reach out to the website owner or webmaster, inform them about the broken link, and suggest replacing it with a link to a relevant resource on your website. Thirdly, resource link building. Create valuable resources such as comprehensive guides, infographics, or tools. Promote these resources to relevant websites, bloggers, and influencers, encouraging them to link to your content as a valuable resource. Next, influencer outreach. Identify influencers in your industry and build relationships with them. Collaborate on content, seek endorsements, or ask them to share your content with their audience. Influencers can amplify your reach and provide valuable backlinks. Step 3. Social media marketing. Utilize social media platforms to enhance your off-page SEO efforts. For that, firstly, create and optimize social media profiles. Establish a presence on platforms where your target audience is active. Optimize your profiles with relevant keywords, appealing visuals, and a compelling description of your business. Then engage with your audience. Regularly post engaging content, respond to comments, and initiate conversations with your followers. Encourage social sharing of your content to increase its reach. Next, join industry-specific groups and communities, participate in discussions, answer questions, and provide valuable insights. This helps establish your expertise and build relationships with other industry professionals. Step 4. Online reputation management. Manage your online reputation effectively. Firstly, encourage reviews and testimonials. Request satisfied customers to provide reviews and testimonials on platforms like Google My Business, Yelp, and industry-specific review sites. Positive reviews enhance your reputation and attract potential customers. Secondly, address negative feedback. Monitor online mentions of your brand and promptly address any negative feedback. Respond professionally, seek resolution, and demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Step 5. Content marketing. Create and promote high-quality content to attract backlinks and increase brand visibility. Firstly, create valuable and shareable content. Develop informative blog posts, videos, infographics, or ebooks that provide value to your target audience. Ensure your content is well-researched, engaging, and optimized for relevant keywords. Secondly, guest posting. Identify authoritative blogs in your industry that accept guest posts. Craft high-quality content for these platforms, including a backlink to your website within the author bio or content itself. Thirdly, content promotion. Share your content across social media platforms, email newsletters, and relevant online communities. Engage with influencers and ask them to share or link to your content. Step 6. Local SEO. If you have a physical business location, optimize for local searches. Firstly, Google My Business, GMB, optimization. Create a GMB profile and provide accurate information about your business, including address, phone number, and opening hours. Encourage customers to leave reviews on your GMB profile. Secondly, local citations. Ensure consistent NAP, name, address, phone number, information across online directories, review sites, and local business listings. This helps search engines understand your business's location and improves local search visibility. Step 7. Monitor and analyze. Regularly monitor the effectiveness of your off-page SEO efforts using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Track the number of backlinks, website traffic, rankings, and social media engagement. Analyze the data to identify what strategies are working and make necessary adjustments to your off-page SEO campaign. Remember, off-page SEO is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and adaptation. To wrap it up, off-page SEO is a game changer for your website's visibility. Remember to build quality backlinks and manage your online reputation effectively. And most importantly, stay consistent and patient because SEO takes time, but the results are worth it. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on off-page SEO. I hope you found it valuable and are ready to implement these strategies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest videos. Until next time, keep optimizing and dominating the search engine game.